If you are thinking about buying a home in Nevada County, California, and you're trying to decide between Grass Valley or Nevada City, but you need more information about each town to help you decide, then this video is just for you. Grass Valley and Nevada City are right next door to each other off of Highway 49 in Nevada County, California. And from downtown Nevada City to downtown Grass Valley, it's only about an 8-minute drive. So they're very close to each other and they're very similar, but there are a few differences about them that I think would be helpful for you to know. Both have really charming downtown areas with lots of boutique shopping and stores that support local artists and fair trade. Both have lots of great restaurants, really good high quality restaurants, and a lot of the restaurants support local organic farms. So the downtown areas are very similar to each other, but they really do have their own unique feel to them. The main downtown street in Grass Valley, no cars are allowed to drive on it, so I really prefer that because you can walk along the street and go shopping and have a good meal at a restaurant and there's no cars driving by. And very recently they just totally redid the downtown area so that they took out the sidewalks and put pavers in and brand new planter boxes with beautiful rocks and flowers, and it's just a really, really lovely downtown area. Downtown Nevada City also has just a little side street where no cars are allowed to drive through, and there's some restaurants and sweet little stores on that street. But the main portion of downtown Nevada City, which is a little bit larger than downtown Grass Valley, it's interesting because Nevada City is smaller than Grass Valley, but the downtown area is a little bit bigger. So there's a long street where cars do drive through, but there's tons of stores and restaurants lining both sides of the street, and it's just, they're both really beautiful, sweet towns. By the way, my name is Cheyenne, and whether you're moving in 3 weeks or 3 months, my partner and I would love to help you. All of our contact info is below in the description. Outside of the downtown areas of Grass Valley and Nevada City, they are quite different. As I said, Grass Valley is quite a bit larger than Nevada City. Nevada City has a population of about 3,000 and Grass Valley has a population of about 14,000, so quite a bit different. Both towns are small and charming, but Grass Valley has a lot more shopping that is more practical, like 2 Safeways, Ben Franklin, grocery outlet, tons of banks, gas stations, hardware stores. I mean, you name it, all the practical things that you need, Target, JCPenney, pet stores. Grass Valley has a lot of different little, I guess you'd call strip malls or little shopping centers spread out around Grass Valley with lots of shopping that is going to be for your daily living needs. Whereas Nevada City really just has the downtown shopping area with the boutique shopping and the nice restaurants, and there's a few other little stores that are practical in Nevada City, but really just a few, whereas Grass Valley has quite a lot more shopping to do there. Even with all the shopping centers and little strip malls in Grass Valley, this is the Sierra Nevada foothills, so there's still beautiful trees and mountains and views all around you. If you're thinking about buying a home in Nevada City and you're wondering now, well, how am I going to do all my daily shopping and errands and banking? As I said, Grass Valley and Nevada City are right next door to each other. So if you live in Nevada City and you need to go to Grass Valley to do your errands and your shopping, it's really not very far at all. Both Grass Valley and Nevada City have residential areas right around the downtown areas, so you could buy a home and be able to walk to the downtown areas to coffee shops and restaurants. And both Grass Valley and Nevada City have lots of homes all around town. I would say the farthest you're probably gonna go from the downtown areas is 20, maybe 30 minutes, because these are small towns. So if you live the farthest point from a downtown area, I would say the farthest it would be 30 minutes, and most likely it would be 10 or 15 minutes on average. Both Grass Valley and Nevada City have homes with acreage, so whether you want a ½ an acre or 40 acres, you can definitely find all of that and everything in between in both Grass Valley and Nevada City. Of course, if you want 40 acres, that's probably going to be more like 20-30 minutes from the downtown area. I just want to talk a little bit more about restaurants. I know that's not going to be the reason why you buy a home here probably, but in Nevada County we are known for our amazing restaurants and our amazing local organic produce. And I just want to say that I don't believe there are any fast food restaurants in Nevada City. I could be wrong, maybe there's one hiding somewhere. I don't eat fast food myself, so I haven't really paid much attention to that in Nevada City, but Grass Valley, because it's larger, it does have a lot more fast food and also casual dining, in addition to the high quality restaurants in the downtown area. So more choices is what I'm trying to say in Grass Valley. Nevada City has a little bit more nightlife than Grass Valley, although there is some new things opening up in Grass Valley with some more music scenes. We don't have a ton of nightlife in this county, but for such a small area, Nevada City actually has quite a lot of music going on, music and art and festivals. But as far as nightlife in particular, there are some events, lots of live music and local artists and well-known artists from out of the area come through Nevada City as well. So it's relatively speaking, there is quite a bit of music and nightlife here for such a small town. But if you're used to like big city life, nightlife, we don't have that here. Grass Valley has the county fairgrounds, which has been described as one of the most beautiful county fairgrounds in California. And lots of events happen there, not necessarily at night, but lots of music, lots of festivals, and just lots of events happening there. And this whole county, I will say, has lots of community events, downtown Grass Valley and downtown Nevada City, whether it's winter Christmas fairs. This video is filmed in November 2023, and so you'll see in some of the footage all the lights decorating the downtown areas. We definitely go all out here when it comes to holiday events and street fairs. Pretty much all year long, we've got summer street fairs, winter street fairs with music, food, artist booths lining the street. And it's just, there's a lot of community events here, and it just makes it a really fun place to be, especially again because it's such a small county. Relatively speaking, the amount of events that we have here is quite large. Let's go over the weather differences. It is just slightly colder in Nevada City than Grass Valley, really just by a couple degrees, unless you are in parts of Nevada City that are higher elevation, like Banner Mountain, where it really is only 10 minutes up the mountain, but it can feel like you are just worlds away because it is quite a bit colder up there. But generally speaking, in the downtown areas, Grass Valley and Nevada City are very similar, just slightly colder in Nevada City. Both Grass Valley and Nevada City usually get a snowstorm about once or twice each winter, and it's usually only for a day or a couple of days, and it's just kind of a fun, exciting thing where everyone stocks up on groceries and hunkers down for a couple days, except for the fact that the last 2 winters were snowmageddon, and it snowed quite a bit more than it normally does, and people's power was out for really extended periods of time. And so we're all just kind of curious what is going to happen this winter. Is that the new normal, or was just that a just kind of freakish 2 years? So it's really hard to say. I will make another video after this winter and tell you how it goes. If you want to live in Nevada County and you don't want to deal with snow at all, then Penn Valley would be a great option for you. Penn Valley is only 10 minutes from downtown Grass Valley, but it is much lower elevation. So you're only going to get maybe a dusting of snow every couple years, and you could live in Penn Valley, not have to deal with snow, and just drive 10 or 15 minutes and be in snow. So that could be a great option for you. I've done lots of videos on Penn Valley, the downtown area in Penn Valley, and also Lake Wildwood, which is in Penn Valley, and you can check those videos out after this video. As far as buying a home in Nevada County, the prices in Nevada City are just slightly higher than in Grass Valley, and Penn Valley is slightly less than Grass Valley. Nevada City and Grass Valley both have a lot of forested areas. I would say Nevada City has even more forested areas and more evergreens than Grass Valley, although Grass Valley does have a lot of the beautiful evergreens as well. It just depends which side of Grass Valley you're on. If you're on the side of Grass Valley that's closer to Nevada City, you're gonna see more of those evergreens, cedars, and pines. And if you're on the side of Grass Valley that is closer to Penn Valley, you're gonna see more oaks. Both Nevada City and Grass Valley are very centrally located to Lake Tahoe, Auburn, and Sacramento. Lake Tahoe is on the Nevada City side, and Auburn and Sacramento are on the Grass Valley side. But whether you live in Grass Valley or Nevada City, you can get to Tahoe in about an hour and a half, and Auburn is 30-45 minutes depending on where you are, and Sacramento an hour and a half depending on where you're going. I've done lots of videos on Nevada City and Grass Valley. You can check those out here, and I hope this was very helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.